Hey, welcome back to the Amusement Archive. We're at the Parkhurst Pumpkin Patch in Arcadia, Oklahoma. So let's go check out all the fun, all kinds of cool stuff here.
The wind is blowing and the crisp scent of fall is in the air. It's time to harvest your pumpkin before they get rained on. Ooh, you better hurry about that. Happy fall, y'all.
Parkhurst Pumpkin Patch. Here's some of the pricing up here. Pretty cool. Got the window. So many fun things around. And when you get to the end, they got a bunch of pumpkins that you can grab one of these. I think it's included with your pumpkin patch. And then they have bigger ones that you can buy separately, but super cool. Alright, we're headed in. What are we coming up? The duck pond. Look at that, guys. Little hair right there. That's pretty funny. Little duck pond. You can feed the ducks. Got a face painting booth over here. Got some snacks in that little shack over there. Got some trikes that you can race around. Pretty cool. Got a little section here where you can play cornhole. Got some little ball toss games here. Man, that was a long throw there. Got the pony rides back here. You can see off there. I don't think we're doing any pony rides today, but we've done them before here. We got these little chicken coops. Go inside the little vines here. Pretty cool. Whoa, look at the gourds up there. Pretty awesome. What is that? A pigeon or something in there? I think they might have, yeah, look at that. Some bunnies in here too. Some bunny over here. Man, look at them go. Big old rabbits. Look at this guy in here. He's hard to see, but he's got a lot of hair on him. There he is. Look at him.
I'm not gonna push you in this.
Petting zoo. Jackson.
I just wanted to do fluffy flowers. I don't.
I'm not interested in this food at all.
You're welcome. Hey, stop doing that. Eat the pumpkin, but
Look at that little thing munching on that pumpkin. That's pretty cool. We got the bigger one over here in the shed. A couple pigs back here. Small one on the other side. Now the big one came over here to get some pumpkin. About to go on the hayride here. Pretty cool. Hunter's been waiting for Bigfoot a little bit too long. Pretty fun hayride here. Got a mini horse here. I think it's a mini horse or a pony. So a lot of stuff to do here. They got these little forts here. All kinds of like a hay bale fort. Also got the corn maze. Alright, about to go get lost in the corn maze here. He who walks behind the road. I like the sound of the corn maze. Probably wouldn't like that sound at night though. That'd be pretty scary. They said some of this corn is 14 foot tall in the maze right now. It's pretty tall. I think I heard something. Follow his voice. Lost in the corn maze. But look at how cute the decorations are. There's a stranger stalking me. We found our way out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there you go. Fort fun. Got some cool slides and a rock wall in here. The hay maze. Can you find your way through the hay maze?
I'm gonna jump from there to there.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Yeah, I know.
Look, the pumpkin princess. Let's go to your fairy tale maze. Fairyland Castle. They changed this up. They put trolls in here and stuff. What is that unicorn from? Yay, merry-go-round. Got some really cool pumpkins over here. Lots of different types. Definitely put you in the fall spirit, the Halloween spirit. Checking out all these awesome pumpkins. Pretty cool. Man, they got tons of different kinds here. I always like these right here that have the orange and the green and white on them. And then they got Look at that, some yellow, green, and then some pie pumpkins back there. Pretty cool. These are like a weird orange. Definitely like a cool, put like some of these next to some really bright orange ones. We got some white ones here. Ooh, look at that one, gray. Pretty neat. Check this out, Granny P's General Store. Let's check out what's in here. Some snacks. Made in Oklahoma food. A bear serving you Lotus jar openers. Pretty cool. Got some t-shirts here. I've actually never been in here before. Pretty cool. Got lots of merchandise here. Some little toys for the kids. Check that out. Little pumpkin, little walkers. Those are cool. Lots of fun stuff in here. It's like the popcorn, corn on the cob. Pretty awesome. Ooh, found Bigfoot. You always gotta look for Bigfoot everywhere you go. Pumpkin peeps, heck yeah. Zombie finger suckers. Crazy little Frankie there. We're about done. Even though that's a welcome sign, welcome to our patch. But y'all come back now, you hear? You can get it one pumpkin per paid entry right here. So they even have different color ones. Some gourds over here. Some little pumpkins here. Different colors, and then they got the white ones right here. Which one are you getting, Wyatt? You gonna get a white one? Ooh, that one looks good. Those are my favorite. So, but we've already got one of those. So let's maybe. Ooh, this one might work. Yeah, let's get this one. This one's pretty neat.
The autumn weather,
Don't you love the autumn weather?
And the crisp scent of fall is in the air. It's time to harvest your pumpkin before they get rainwater.
I got it.
Ooh, you better hurry about that. Happy fall, y'all.
Happy fall, y'all. We're at the exit. We're about to head out of here. Had to stop by Pop since we're in Arcadia. Gonna get me a Diet Jolt Cola. Pretty awesome place here if you haven't been. Look at all the sodas. So cool. And then all those fridges back there full of all kinds of soda. And of course they got the weird ones. Bacon, spaghetti, waffles and syrup, blue cheese dressing. Oh my god. Look at that. It's got the Wizard of Oz on it. That is awesome. Pickle soda, ghoulish grape. Man, this is my favorite part. We've had this before. The Mighty Mouse is cool. Sour Puss soda. Disgusting. Super cool. All these crazy flavors down here. Got our sodas. About to leave Pops. They also have a place where you can eat some awesome burgers there. But let's go check out the giant soda bottle. A giant soda bottle. It's not as impressive as it is at night because it's all LED lights and it looks super awesome at night. Thanks for taking a trip with the Amusement Archive. Man, we had a cool time here at Parkhurst Pumpkin Patch. We've been here a few times, but like I said, thanks for taking a trip. Got tons of videos. Check the playlist. Find a franchise or subject you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.